Today we have a nice day planned. So we're starting off with some nice morning tennis. Well, it's actually afternoon now. Some afternoon tennis, and then we're gonna head over to the beach. And then we're gonna eat dinner at like a restaurant that's right next to the beach, I think. We only played for an hour and a half today because we're going to head over to the beach now because we haven't done that yet. So today's gonna be a nice little beach day. Beach. On our way to the beach now. Made it to the beach. Nice and peaceful, quiet.